Hello, hello. Here in this video, I want to show you how you can divide your shapes in two parts. And you can divide it using any line that you want. It seems that this is in Tinkercad, it's not the easiest thing to do. Like we know how to cut shapes, but how can we divide it in two parts? Let me show you first how we can cut. So we can bring one of these transparent things, objects. These are holes, and if we group the two together, they will cut. We have to wait a little bit. So this is how you can cut one part of the object and the other part just disappears, right? Let's Control Z and get rid of this. I made a shape like this using the revolve and intersect, the new option in the group. And if you want to see how I made this, just go and see the previous video. But for now, we want to kind of draw a line and divide this object into two parts. We can use the sketch tool. Okay. We can just start by clicking a few times to create a closed shape, and then we can change it later. So to change, we have to, let's double click. If you double click, it will give you the dots that you can then change. So if you click on this and then choose smooth, you will get handles here. Let's do the same for this one. Also, we can do this other option that gives you the handles that are separate, like this one changes separately. And this one, when you move it, oh my goodness. Yeah, when we move it, only this one part of the line changes. But when we have handles like this, when I move one part of the handle, the other one moves as well. Let's create a curve here. Let's say I want to cut my shape. I'm making this a broken handle, so let's go break the handle and then, yeah, let's create a curve. So what I need is this line, and then I want also this one to kind of include the whole shape, the whole round shape. And then we are done with this part. We can go click Finish Sketch. And now we can make this a little bit taller and press D. It will sit on our work plane. Now with this new option that we have for grouping, cutting got easier. First, I will just duplicate this object to have another copy. Let's put this, let's get rid of this. Okay, let's duplicate these two by clicking duplicate and repeat, and then moving our objects with the arrows. I have several objects in this project that's why it's taking a little bit to work. Okay, now we have two copies of the same thing. First, we can just select these two, go here and union group, and then choose this option. This one will just keep the intersecting area. Let's see what we will get. Now we want to have only this other part of the shape. That's why we can just make this a cutter, but by just making it a hole, and selecting both of them and choosing union group. And this time we are keeping the other part of our object. Now let's wait a little bit. And I've used the arrow keys to move it so I can bring them back with the arrow keys, and they should, yeah, they should match. This one is a separate object. See, like we can give it a different color. Here you have it. We separated the object in and made it two separate ones. I hope you enjoyed this and thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and follow for more videos. Bye for now.